Just before recording this lesson, Leonardo has pushed a new version into their application. So you can see here on the application screen, it says new version available. And I've got two options. I can update later or I can go ahead and hit reload. I'm going to go ahead and hit reload. And in this lesson, I want to look for a new creation that we can explore. In particular, I'm looking for something that has a vast amount of detail applied to it. So let's go ahead and use this image here. As you can see, it has an immense amount of intricate detail, a vast color palette. So this should work really well. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit remix. This has taken me to the AI generation tool page where all of the settings have been automatically applied. Therefore, all I technically would need to do is remix the prompt and go ahead and hit generate. However, there is a tweak that I've made on purpose, which I will show you once I hit generate. So Leonardo has given back our two images which relate massively to the model or the creation that we selected. And the change that I implemented, which you did not see, which is related to the advanced setting on the Leonardo toolbar. So over in the left, if you scroll down, there's an option which says show advanced settings. If I go ahead and click this, you have use fixed seed. And then from there, you have scheduler. Now the default is Leonardo. However, the remix settings of this particular creation was actually Elua discrete. Now, depending on how complex you want to get with your understanding of Diffusion and Leonardo AI, from a very high level, all you need to be able to understand is each one of these are different diffusion methods. So different methods of how the image is generated. Now, I've already previously mentioned about noise as a conceptual way to understand the diffusion model. I don't advocate in understanding the diffusion model any deeper. Just know that there are different methods in which the AI art is generated. Now, in various conversations that I've had with the Leonardo AI team, they have stated that regardless of what scheduler or diffusion model, whatever you want to call it, you select, the results are fairly similar. But if I go ahead and click what this creation or what this model should actually be on, you'll now see that under the guidance scale, we have step count. And what this basically does is control the amount of detail within your AI generation. So if I go ahead and drop this right down to 20 and hit generate, and then go ahead and drop it all the way to 60 and hit generate. So with my AI images created, you can see very clearly the difference between the lower step count and the higher step count. The higher step count has a vast amount of detail, very intricate detail, whereas the lower step count, it genuinely misses the amount of detail applied to the AI art. Again, when selecting a model or a particular creation that you're interested in, you will be prompted on the suitable step count. And I believe for this creation, it was around 30 or 40. Let's go ahead and go with 40. I'll hit generate again. And as you can see, that gives us a fairly balanced level of detail.